Alright guys, have you ever heard of a saying that say a man like look on another man girl, but you know like when nobody look on film? That's how me describe private people, like people when they come on say me showing them house. Then I really likes them for them house being out there like that on the YouTube, but it's okay if they see another man's house out there on the YouTube. So if a man I move a certain way without even telling me, but I'm not gonna post in place point YouTube. So when we are doing any form of work for a private individual, we just do the maths and get out of there without posting anything. We can ask and then say yes or no, but sometimes we don't even ask. So, and sometimes we just film when we feel like we can film. Either way, good morning team, Ismash, everybody doing today. Welcome back to another vlog. And yeah, we did basically just want to show another project there I'm gonna go upon earlier today. And it's an addition. Them add a deck along with them open up the inside of the house, which is them try to get a open concept. So I tear down 2 walls and some other walls, 2 major walls and some other walls. So the envelopes on the outside, the tear down that, and inside with some wall on the inside we have like the kitchen area and etc. And yeah, just go check on that this morning. And what else? That out there says out by lagoons, by the way. For who know, lagoon is kind of one of the nice private gated community though, where you know what's a lagoon. They have like then this next to a water body and etc. So oh, they're nice, brother. I mean, I think most people get the opportunity to gain access to over there, so because it's a gated community. And yeah man, the money people them over this. And besides from that, look as my say I introduce you to other things that are going out there. So yeah, team Ismash, stay tuned. For today done, tell you that for now. So what the hell is that? Tomorrow I catch up on the vlog. Morning again, team Ismash. Today is day 2 on the works, and we're on a different project today. We installed some roof crown moldings and we use ply chem, and that's about to go up on this project, and then we'll dip out here. So stay tuned. Yeah, then water. Terrible.
See, you got me up there already? I'm going to my tight and just be.
Boy, work here, shed. Now the cut the 45 fit them in. And slide up and install them right here. Yeah, this that.
Can't glue on the ceiling, Yes. Plus, make sure we fit it. So, basically what I got is this chaotic grain. You cap them right up. That I know, no issue.
Why? Then look at the show, while I'm wheeling it up. Yeah, so now the type can I show it. So now this, you see how this wide, you see how this narrow, and I say dilate and enlarge and go way down little and wide. That shows the wall coming and so when them are dirty building with the block work, The problem for us start for a test. So this a man I just let's put on this.
See, we the man we have it easy. Why we have it easy? Because
You win the man did have it easy or hard?
easy because you just put it in
Okay. Much more. I take no more off it.
Hello. What?
Check transfer more because you can't put from the
Exactly.
inside.
Mm.
Can you cut from the pot?
It show up on the outside.
No, without cut board.
Alright.
I cut from the side. Yeah.
Measure twice, cut once.
Waiting going.
When people say, yo, we can't find a man to get the work done cheaper, man. If you pay for $50, now $50 okay get.
I mean. Let's go to
The wall, hello. Cork out, with a cork out, you know. Where you can put the cork in, just get the cork out that on. And then we should sauce is what we wanted. Yeah man, sitting drive fast. Either that way or so, but sitting fast. On blue car. Sitting fast on blue car, man. Hold on, I'm gonna get 2 shots there. So Team Ismash, this is another one. Is expected to finish up by us, and yeah, we're supposed to do the slab and our staircase right here. So hopefully that one will work out and we can get to move on. So this is a prospect. So yeah, Team Ismash, that's another project me try get involved in. You don't know, as you can see, somebody has start work on it already. So the owner asked me to just finish it up, you know. So I'm gonna try put together a quote for that and just, you know, deal with it, get on at the same time, because she don't know anything set, you know. Anything Ismash get in her hand, you know, but treat it like my own, you know what I mean? So in the at the location before this one, what I gotta do, me pull this up the road. At the location before this one, we installed some crown molding strip, and I don't know what to say about that one. All I know is that we did our best to fit that wall. We explained to the person that by the way, the owner for that house is a friend of mine. So we explained to her that the walls them lean, them bend up. I can't describe them wall, brother. I don't know them bad. And she's like, I just need it done, I'm gonna say, the wall them lean, you know, these boards are straight. It's going to have voids between the board, the ply seam and the wall. So she said, no man, that's alright. And I say, boy, I have other ways, I have other little tips and tricks I can use to get it flush and kind of make things look a little bit better, but it will cost because you're gonna need a different type of material. And she said, oh, he priced this and he priced that and he priced that. I'm gonna say, I don't really want to go ahead and do it like this because I don't think I'm gonna like a look as in as an end product for something from me. So she say, no man, it's alright, just do it, just have the guy put it up and we just sort it after because I'm a painter here and have this year. I say, alright, we're gonna get the work done. Install it, got out of the place, and I'm kind of satisfied with how neat our work end up being, even though the walls is wheelie and kind of coming like this, and we bought the right amount of material, nothing extra, we don't run on no extra cost and nothing like that. We have another room for do. I'm gonna think I'm gonna show that one, and what else? Today now is just as I said, may I give a quote on that building. So yeah, Team Ismash, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, please give this video a thumbs up. If you guys, you know, learn something new, tell me what you learn new. If you guys have something to share with me, tell me what you want. Tell me in a comment section down below. I really appreciate you guys' opinion. If you guys thought that I did something wrong, you guys can show and tell me what was it that I did wrong, what was it that I said wrong. Welcome your guys' suggestion and comments at all time. So in tomorrow's vlog now, we're back on site. We're going to update it new in regards to one of my previous videos. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. I am out.